In the kingdom of cushions and carpet, Marmalade the Magnificent naps beneath his mighty sofa fortress. Peace reigns, for now. But wait, what sorcery is this? A glowing red dot dances across the floor. Marmalade awakens. The hunt has begun. Chairs tumble, vases fall, and then, in a bold move, Marmalade mounts the Roomba. Together, they charge toward the light. Suddenly, silence. The dot vanishes. Marmalade stares at the empty floor, betrayed. Where did it go? Why does it hurt? Exhausted but undefeated, Marmalade flops on the floor, tail twitching, whiskers proud. The dot may return, but so will he.